guys. I'm going to work out this problem. It's taking a trinomial, factoring it into two binomials. At first, it looks like a difficult problem. There's a large numbers, negative 42, negative 276, and negative 144. But we can make the numbers smaller if we factor out a greatest common factor. So if you look at 42, 42 goes into 6 7 times. 276 goes into 6 goes into 276 46 times, and 144 goes into 6 goes into 144 24 times. But we also have a negative here, and we don't want that negative. So I'm going to take out a negative 6. I'm going to take out a negative 6. Remember, when you're factoring something out, you're actually dividing all of the terms by whatever you're factoring out. And so you get a 7x squared plus 46 and a plus 46x plus 24. Okay, so I'm going to use trial and error. I have 6, set up my two parentheses. They're both pluses. Let's go ahead and find the factors of 7. Factors of 7, are going to be 1 and 7. So I'm going to put a 7x here and a 1x. Factors of 24, we have 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Okay, so I can try any of these combinations. I always like to start out with the two factors that are very close together. So I'm going to try 6 and 4. So if I try 6 and 4 here, I test it out. I'm going to do outer, and that's a plus 42. And if I do inner, that's going to be a plus 4. Oh no, I did it right the first time. Man. Oh man, it's a plus 46. Yes, it's right the first time. See what happens when you do so many of these? You just get it right the first time, and I'm trying to teach you how to do the trial and error method, and not much error there, huh? More trial. Okay. Anyways, so I got right the first time. So that's your final answer. Now let's use MG's method. Okay. Once again, we're going to factor out the negative 6. So we're going to start off with negative 6 times 7x squared plus 46x plus 24. We're going to take a and multiply it with c. So we get negative 6 times x squared plus 46x plus 24 times 7 is 168. Now let's go ahead and find factors of 168. We have 1 and 168. 168 divided by 2. 2 and 84. And 168 divided by 3. 3 works too. 3 and 56. 4 and 42, and 4 plus 42 is 46. So let's go ahead and set up my parentheses. We have a plus 4 and a plus 42. I'm going to take that a from the original trinomial, and I'm going to divide both of these factors by 7. We can't reduce this, so it just becomes 7x plus 4. We couldn't reduce this, 42 over 7. They're both divisible by 7, so we have a 6 and a 1. So bring that 1 to the front, so it becomes 1x plus 6. Here's the completely factored form, which looks just like what I did in the trial and error. Okay? Good job, guys.